On today's Technical Tuesday, I'll be discussing the difference between a tube that is measured by outside diameter and a spiral welded tube that is measured by internal diameter. Dairy tube, general purpose tube and metric press fit tube is measured and named according to the outside diameter of the tube, which includes the wall thickness. For example, a 6-inch piece of dairy tube measures exactly 6 inches or 152.4 millimeters across from the outside of one wall to the outside of the opposite wall. This is the standard way to measure tube and tube fittings we stock, from 1/4 inch right up to 8 inch. In New Zealand, spiral welded tube is measured according to the internal diameter. This is from the internal of one wall to the opposing wall inside the tube and excluding the wall thickness. For example, this means an 8-inch piece of spiral weld tube measures exactly 8 inch or 203.2 millimeters across the internal diameter of the tube. We stock fittings that suit internally measured spiral weld for 8-inch, 10-inch and 12-inch sizes. At 8-inch, we stock fittings to suit both OD measured tube and ID measured tube. This means it's important to know the correct measurements for the system you are working with to ensure you get the right fittings. If you have any questions regarding measuring dairy tube or spiral weld tube, then please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company, because we make buying stainless steel easy.